Fiskerma Chamier hau an rova huakadal. Is Misha Angus Giantena Mahosh. I can tell by your vacant expression that you can't understand me. When I was a lot younger, all of the humans in these parts spoke Gaelic. It was probably a good couple 100 years ago, though. I digress. I'm Angus. And you are? That's a pretty name. And your eyes are pretty. Your whole being is pretty, actually. What? You're not pretty? Na be gorig. Of course you are. What do I mean by a few 100 years ago? Well, you see, while I look like a teenager, I was born around 500 AD. I'm a fairy. Fairies are born and are, for the most part, immortal. Like, we can be killed, but we won't die of old age. We also show age a lot slower than humans do. This is why changelings often appear sickly or unable to grow. Humans can't see us change because it takes longer than a human lifetime to show signs of aging and growing. For example, as we've just found out, I look 15, but actually I'm 1,519 years old. You mean to tell me you've never heard of a changeling? All fairy babies are swapped for human babies. We need to keep our race going, and we need to become fertile. We can't become fertile without being able to grow. Fairies aren't able to grow without a magic tonic of sorts. We require human breast milk to imbue us with a sense of mortality, which is why we're able to be killed, but not die of old age. How bria? Hey, would you mind if I kissed you? Well, you see, it might help. You see even more beauty in this forest. Not that there's anything. Scratch what I was about to say. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Your cheeks are becoming flushed. Are you okay? You're blushing. Whatever for? It's not like anyone saw us. And besides, even if they did, it's common here. I live here. Yes, you see, my full name is Angus Magog, and I happen to be the Celtic god of youth and beauty. So, yeah, this being my home, a lot of creatures find this place a very nice place to be romantic. You don't see anything different. That might be because I was having some fun at your expense. I just really wanted to kiss you is all. Are you ready to see some real magic, though? Okay. Can you see all the fog starting to form? It's the same trick Puck uses in A Midsummer Night's Dream by William Shakespeare. That was a true story, by the way. Lord Oberyn was the one who recounted it to Shakespeare, the bard, then used this to write a phenomenal comedy. I saw it a few times on my escapades into the human territories. It was quite fun. Yeah, they were fairies a lot older than me, though. I know them, though. They, like I said, fairies are immortal, and they are my seniors. I've met them. Yeah, so what happens is, when we're assigned our station, like, I'm Angus Magog, and I am the Celtic god of youth and beauty. That's because I'm one of the youngest fairies to be born, and I was born shortly after the old Angus Magog was killed, so I replaced him. That's also why I'm so young. Yeah, it's confusing, don't worry about how fairies work. So, why did you come into the woods? I mean, not that I'm questioning your hobbies or anything, but it's a very old and untraveled place. Are you looking for a special plant that only grows here? It wouldn't be Heaven's Gate hemlock, would it? It is? I'm so sorry. May I ask who's ill? That's a travesty. Here, I've got some already prepped for making the tea. You can have it. Would you mind if I flew you home? You would get there quicker, be able to prepare the tea quicker, and be able to heal them quicker. You wouldn't? Great. Off we go. Ah, so this is your home. It's not too far out from the forest. It barely took us 5 minutes to get here. Would you mind if I came to visit? You wouldn't? I look forward to it. But for now I must say goodbye. Marcin Liv Andrasta.